Hola y bienvenidos a nuestro canal de español. If you are eager to express yourself and be understood by the Spanish speakers, you are in the right place. In today's video, we will dive into the fascinating world of Spanish alphabet pronunciation. Whether you're just starting out or looking forward to improve, this little guide will equip you with the essential tools to sound like a native Spanish speaker. Unlike English, Spanish follows some consistent pronunciation rules with minimal exceptions. Once you grasp these guidelines, trust me, you will find Spanish pronunciation much easier than many other languages. So let's get started. We will start with Spanish vowel pronunciation. Spanish has five vowels that are always pronounced the same way. They are A, E, O, and U. Understanding the correct pronunciation of vowels is essential for improving your Spanish speaking skills. So let's get started. The letter A is pronounced like the A in father. It is an open sound and that is commonly found in words like casa means house and amar means to love. The letter A has two different pronunciations. When it appears at the end of a syllable, it sounds like the E in they. For example, leche means milk and verde means green. However, when A is followed by a consonant, it sounds like the E in set. For instance, mesa means table and perro means dog. The letter E is pronounced like the I in machine. It is a clear and crisp sound that you can hear in words like pintar means to paint and niño means child. The letter O also has two different pronunciations. When it appears at the end of a syllable, it sounds like the O in oat. For example, gato means cat and rosa means rose. However, when O is followed by a consonant, it sounds like the O in spot. For instance, pueblo means town and pollo means chicken. The letter U is pronounced like the double O in tool. It is a strong and rounded sound. However, it remains silent after the letter Q and in the letter combinations ge and gi. For example, queso means cheese and guerra means war. Lastly, the letter Y. It can act as a vowel in certain cases, and when it is used as a vowel, it is pronounced like the Spanish letter E. Buen trabajo. Great job with the vowels. Now let's tackle some Spanish consonants. We'll go through each consonant one by one and I will guide you on how to pronounce them accurately. Let's begin with the B. At the beginning of a word or following a consonant, it is pronounced like B in body. In other cases, the sound is a combination between the English B and V sounds. Now, the letter say. Before a consonant or the vowels A, O, or U, it is pronounced like the C in cave. Before A or E, it is pronounced like the S in silver. However, in Spain, the C before A or E is often lisped and sounds like the TH in this. Now, the letter D. It is pronounced like D in dark. Between vowels and following L or N, it is pronounced like the TH in there. The letter FA. It is pronounced like the F in flower. The letter He. Before A or E, it is pronounced like the Spanish Jota sound, similar to the English H sound. In other cases, it is pronounced like G in get. The letter H. It is silent in Spanish. The letter Jota. It is pronounced like an H but stronger. It is almost silent at the end of a word. The letter K. It is pronounced like K in kid. The letter LA. It is pronounced like the L in leave. Next letter MA. It is pronounced like the M in mage. The letter NA. It is pronounced like the N in navy. Next letter NA. It is pronounced like the sound of the letter combination of ni in onion. Next letter P. It is pronounced like the P in pain. The letter Q. It is pronounced like K sound and is always followed by a silent U. The letter array. At the beginning of a word and after LA, NA or SA, it is pronounced with a strong trill, like rolling an R. At the end of a word, the trill is minimal. In other positions, a medium trill is used. Now, the letter SA. Before consonants be, de, he, la, ma, or na, it is pronounced like the Z in zebra. Otherwise, it is pronounced like S in simple. Next letter Te. It is pronounced like the T in terror. The letter Ve. It is pronounced the same as Be. The letter W. It is usually pronounced like Ve. Now, the letter X. Between vowels, it is pronounced like the X in fox. Before a consonant, it is pronounced like an S. The letter Zeta. It is pronounced like an S. However, in Spain, this letter is often lisped and sounds like the TH in feather. The letters Ka and W are not native letters in Spanish alphabet and are primarily used in loanwords from other languages. And it's worth noting that in Spanish, the letters CH and double L and double R are considered separate and are listed in the dictionary after the letter Zeta. CH is pronounced like the CH in child, and double L is pronounced like the Y in you, and R pronounced like the double R pronounced like the singular only, but twice as long. Fantastico. You're doing an excellent job. Remember, practicing the pronunciation of these consonants is crucial for improving your Spanish speaking skills. Keep practicing and you will notice a significant improvement. That's all for today's lesson on the pronunciation of Spanish alphabet. I hope you find it helpful and informative. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell to stay updated on future lessons. Gracias por ver. Thank you for watching. Hasta la próxima. Until next time.